Gusto ko lang mag-share ng aking, ng ng ating word of the day for tonight. So, sa lahat ng mga nandito, um, sige, let's wait. Yeah. Ito yung isa sa mga favorite verses ko, like from 2 years ago. And gusto ko lang siyang i-share sa inyo. And here it is. It's a verse from Proverbs chapter 16 verse 3. It is my favorite Bible verse all the time. And it says here, "Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and your plans will succeed." Again, commit to the Lord whatever you may do, and your plans will succeed. Isa to sa mga pinangahawakan ko na verse like 2 years ago nung nag-viral ako. Kasi nung time na sobrang gulo ng lahat, mas dun ako napalapit kay Lord, kumbaga. And then, ayun, sinurrender ko lahat sa Kanya kasi sobrang hirap na nakikita ko yung mukha ko dati sa social media, like for 3 months. Sa mga fake issues, yan sa mga dump accounts na hindi naman ako, na sinira nila ako sa social media. And then sabi ko, Lord, hindi ko na kaya. Sabi ko sa Kanya, sinusuko ko na lahat. Simula ngayon, susundin na lang kita. Susunod na lang ako sa'yo. And that's it. Lahat na nang ginawa ko after that, all the things I did after that, I surrendered to Him. And look at me now. Though marami akong pinagdaanan, Idol Philippines, and then I got pregnant, and then iniwan ako, and now I have Angel. So yeah, lahat lang ng ginawa ako, nagpe-perform ako, ginagawa ko yung duty ko as a sister, as a mom. Wala, talagang lagi ko sinasabi sa Kanya, Lord, bigyan mo naman ako ng sign kung tama ba to. Lord, ikaw na bahala . I will just do my part and ikaw na bahala sa akin. Ganon. So, this is to remind everyone na kapag dinededicate mo or kinocommit mo yung plans mo sa Kanya, He will guide you. And if it falls according to His plan, lahat ng plano mo, tutuparin niya yun if it's for you. I always believe that what's meant for you will always be meant for you. Pero yung hindi para sa'yo, hindi para sa'yo. Yeah. But no matter what happens, God's plans are bigger than our plans. So, yeah. Magtitiwala ka lang because sometimes it's hard to keep the faith, especially when you're heartbroken. 'Di ba? Because faith is believing in something you don't see, but it's believing in something you feel that exists. So yeah, I just want to remind everyone na kung ano man yung plano mo, isubmit mo, you surrender it, and let God take control of your plans. Because He takes care of you, He is good all the time, and siya bahala sa'yo. So yeah, that's our verse of the night. Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and your plans will succeed. If it is in God's will, if it's God's will, it will happen. Pero pag hindi para sa'yo, just wait. Everything that's for you will come for you at the right time, at the perfect time. Amen? Parang baki ako magpastora. God bless everyone. Ayun lang, I just wanna share that verse. It's actually my most favorite. And I'm gonna be down na po to my last song. Once again, I would like to thank sa inyong lahat. This is really big for me. Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala.